Hi guys, I'm back and I wanted to do this kind of summery orange glow makeup, and hopefully it's not dark enough that you can still see me, but I know the sun's really bright out and it's winter down here in Australia, but I know that some of my viewers are from the northern hemisphere, so I just wanted to do a summery kind of makeup. So yeah, hopefully it's not dark, but yeah, you know, we'll see how it goes. So first up is base. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation and the Etchy House Double Lasting Foundation. And I'm going to talk in this. I'm going to talk in this makeup tutorial thingy. But yeah, I'm going to use both and mix them together. I have lots of acne right now at the moment. I'm just going to be using the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer to cover my under eyes and my Now for powder, I'm going to be using the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. And this is really good if you can't afford the, what's the one that everyone uses? Oh god, the Bare Minerals one, I think it is. But yeah, this one's a really good alternative. I think the e.l.f. one is also really good, but I haven't tried it yet. So I'm just gonna let that bake. What should I do next? I should do my eyebrows because they're horrible at the moment. I'm just gonna be using the Ulta 3 eyebrow kit. Not the best, but you know what? I'm happy with it. My eyes. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Modern Renaissance, and I'm going to be using, oops, god, I hope I didn't get on my white shirt. I'm going to be using Burnt Orange, which is this one because I really like that, as a base shade. And just all over the lids. Pretty sure that's what they I'm going to use Realga, I think that's what it's called, Realga, which is the shade, and it's the most orangey shade, and just use it on the outer corner. I think it looks pretty, but you know, just have fun. And then we're going to use a shimmery shade, so I'm just going to be using the Primavera, which is this gold highlighty kind of shade, and then I'm gonna just put it in the middle, just here. Not good. And then just use it down here too. In the middle, what is it called? I don't know what the size is called, but like, yeah, if you want, do it there too. There. Pretty. And then now we're done with eye makeup. So just 2 eyeshadows, just one base orangey color and then a dark orangey color to contour. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Celeb Matte blush. So I'm going to be using 2 colors. I'll be using 3C Stylander in matte 220 Hit Me Up, and I'm going to be using the 3 Ina or Mina in shade 112. So on the hand, this is orangey. It's kind of like orange brown, and then this one is a very salmony color. That's the word, salmony. And I'm just going to mix the two and then just put it on my cheeks. And then use it on the middle of the nose bridge too, so it's like super glowy. Put it on your chin too for supernatural glow. Now I was contemplating what to do for my lips, but I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty, what is it called? Gloss Bomb, which I really like because I feel like you've done the eyes and the cheeks, they pop up, so you just want super glossy because it's, you know, summer look. You want that glow. I already have it on, but I just we have one thing left, which is highlighter. So I am going to be using the Sleek Makeup and Glitters Kiss highlighting palette. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of summery orangey glow kind of look for you guys out there. I hope you guys are enjoying the summer and staying hydrated, and I will see you guys soon. Yeah, stay hydrated guys, love you all.